Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Subaru Outback windshield wipers. First, gather your new wiper blades and a soft towel. Carefully lift each wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright. It is crucial to place a thick towel or foam pad on the glass beneath each arm. This simple step protects your windshield from potential damage if an arm accidentally springs back down. Now, let's remove the old wiper blades. Look closely at where the blade meets the arm. You'll find a small release tab or button. Press this tab and then slide the old blade either downward or outward, depending on your specific model, to release it. Be very careful to maintain a firm grip on the wiper arm. This prevents it from springing back and potentially cracking your windshield. With the old blade removed, it's time to install your new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook or adapter on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade firmly onto the arm until you hear an audible click, indicating it's securely locked. Double-check that it is fully seated. Don't forget to remove any plastic protective covers from the new rubber blade before lowering the arm. For the final steps, gently lower both wiper arms back onto your windshield. Turn on your vehicle and activate the wipers to test their function. Observe them closely to ensure they clear the glass smoothly, without leaving any streaks or making unusual noises. Remember, it's always best to replace both front wiper blades at the same time for balanced performance and clear visibility.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.